Step 1. Sending individual invitations. To begin, go to the Manage section and select Invitations. Click the Invite button, enter the email address of the user you want to add, and hit Send. That's it. Your portal invite has been successfully sent. Step 2. Inviting multiple users. Need to invite many users at once? No problem. Click Invite More, then choose Import CSV. You can send invites to up to 100 email addresses in one go. Simply upload your CSV file with the user list and click Proceed. All your users are now invited. Step 3. Managing invitations. If you ever need to revoke or resend invitations, you can do it easily by clicking the respective buttons right from the same screen. And that's how you invite users to your Zoho Learn portal quickly and efficiently. Why this is used. This is used to guide users visually and audibly through the process of inviting participants to their Zoho Learn portal. Enhance clarity and engagement by explaining each step in a friendly, easy-to-follow manner. Reduce onboarding friction by ensuring users understand both individual and bulk invitation options. Provide confidence that they can manage invitations effectively, including revoking or resending them. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.